In this video, we are going to see how to create G Suite Classroom. First step, log in to your G Suite account. Sign in. Go to Google Classroom. Just to type it Google Classroom. Now you can enter your Google Classroom. There is a plus sign in the right corner. Just click it. There are two options. One is join class, another one is create class. Today we are going to create class only. So just click create. Here the class name. For example, the class school code and underscore class 3rd A. Section A. Subject, here we can write all the subjects available in the particular class. Now room, you can mention 3rd A room. Now create, just you give create. Now you can see the classroom is created. For example, here you can see the class code underscore class 3A. Here the down there is a class code is there. Meet link also will available in the classroom only. Once the class is created, you will get a page like this. Click on people. Here the option people is there. Click on people. Here in people you will see a page like this. Here we have to add the teachers. You have to invite the teacher. There is a icon in the right side. Just click it, invite teacher. The G Suite ID is given to the teacher. You will get pop-up like this. Add only teachers of your school and your class. After typing teachers G Suite IDs and click invite. Yes, you can click invite. So in this way you can add teachers to your class. Suppose 3 teachers are there, you have to add 3 teachers. You have to invite the 3 teachers to your classroom. Then students, how to add students? There is in the right side one icon is there, invite students. Just you click it, then you will have the G Suite email ID which the school has given to you, that you can copy list of students G Suite IDs and paste it in the window. Once the names are copied, click on invite. Next, click on setting in top right. You will get class setting as follows. You can add description in the given part. Class description, for example KVDGK Chennai class 3rd A and other details you can fill up there. Click on that. Now in general you can, class code is available there. If you click there, the reset, copy, display, there are some options. Don't go for the reset option. Once you give the reset, it will allow you only 3 times to reset the class code. So it is not advisable to click reset the class code. Once you have given the reset, it will allow maximum 3 times. Afterwards the message will go to RO. They will block your class. So you no need to change the reset code. Next, coming to stream. Here also 3 options are there. Students can post and comment. Students can only comment. Only teachers can post or comment. So here you have to select students can only comment. That is the best selection for that. Class work on the stream. Here 3 options are there. Hide notification, you have to select. Next, meet, generate meet link. Just you click it there, the meet link will be generated. Once the meet link will be generated, you can invite the students for the meeting, that we are going to use it later. Now here the visible to the student, whether it is visible to the student. Yes, we have to show the students till this all the students should come and join in your class. Suppose in your class 50 students are there, so all the 50 children join in your class, then you can select and give invisible. Till then let it be visible to the students. Now then you give save. After saving, now we are going to see how to give work in classwork. Just click on classwork. You will see the below screen. Click on create plus. You will get a list of items. In the list of items, select topic. You will get a pop-up like this. Type the subject for your class and click on add. Subject will get added as topic for your class. Repeat the steps for all subject to your class. Second, maths, add. Then topic, add EVS. Hindi. Like that you can add all the subjects in your particular class. Under classroom, click on create and select the type of classwork. Example, here there are many options are there. Assignment, then quiz assignment, question, material. For example, if I select material, click on material, the screen will appear like this. Here you can type the topic of the particular material. For example, parts and wholes. Now just down the description is there. There you can type whether the student should, how the student should submit, that what you expect from the student, that you can type it there. Then you can, now you can add. Suppose the files are available in your system, parts and wholes material is available in your system, then file can be uploaded there. Suppose you want to give the link, that one also it is possible. Okay, YouTube link you want to give, that also you can give it from the menu given. So then you have to go for, suppose you want to create in the particular day documents, some words you want to type or slides you want to show, there you can create. Another one option is there. Just you give create, the screen will appear like that. Then the just right side you come, how the class, which class you are going to assign the given material. For example, here classes are there, many classes are there. You have to select your particular class. For example, third A. Now you want to give the material to all the students. There is your option for all the students. Otherwise, if you want to give the material particular children, you want to give specifically few children, that selection also possible. At present in my class no children is added, so that menu is not appearing here. Otherwise you will get the, you have the option to select the number of students you want to give the given material. Then coming to topic, you have to select, this is parts and whole related to mathematics, so in third standard I am taking mathematics, so that maths subject you have to add. Then just you can post it. Once you post it, it will appear in the screen. What under mathematics parts and whole, there is one material we have posted. Class teacher also have to integrate class timetable into classroom calendar. All subject teachers can use the common classroom Google Meet ID for their classes schedule according to timetable. How to form timetable integration? Now let us see the timetable, how to make the timetable. I am the subject teacher of third A, then select the class third A to schedule the timetable. Now we are going to see how we can schedule the timetable. Now schedule the timetable. Over here you can find the create is there. Add English, for example, online class. Next coming to time, when we date you can fix the date 27th. Time for morning 10 a.m. to 10:45 a.m. So this is the schedule of English online class. Then add Google Meet. Then you have to give the class, select the class, which class, 3rd A, then save. Here it will appear English online class 10 to 10:45 on 27th Monday. It is on Monday. So in this way, suppose you want to edit, that is also possible. Here you can change the color and edition also available. Suppose you are not able to conduct the online class on the particular time, there is your option for editing. So edit also possible. Add title, just type the subject. Now you have the option to change the time. For example, the option 10 a.m. to 10:45. Here add guest is there. Don't click add guest, no need to click that one. Simply click it on add Google Meet. You will have an ID generated. Then down come it will take to the next window. The down there is more option. Click it more option. It will take to the next window. The subject you can see mass 10 to 10:45 in every working day. Suppose the subject is repeating over a week, then select custom. Here suppose you have the maths class on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday and Saturday. Then here down ends option will be there. Never select the option never, because once the time is settled, if you click other two options, it will close the class. So never option is better in this area. Once if you select, you have selected, give done. You can now you want to change the timetable, the time, you can click it on the particular click, then you can change the time. There is a option for edit. By clicking edit, you can change the schedule time. For example, I want to change the time 10 to 11, so you can change. There is option for 10 to 11 o'clock, so you can change the time also. Save, then just give save. Edit recurring event, this event only, not all. So only the particular class only you want to change, you can give the option this event. Okay, suppose you want to change the whole thing, then you go for this and following event also. So you want to change the time in the particular day and particular time, then you give the this event only, then you give OK. In this way you can edit the time in the schedule of classroom. To create assignment, again create assignment, you click it, it will open like this. Suppose you expect the students should submit the assignment. Select assignment, submit your classwork. Right, the right side is just you see which class you are going to give the assignment, that you have to select 3rd A. all students or particular students, that you have to select how much the mark you can allot. 20 marks we have allotted for the particular assignment. You can fix the due date also. Suppose they have to submit it tomorrow, so 28. The time also you can, there is an option for before 5 p.m. like that. You can give the, you can set the time for submission, last date for submission. Then under submission, then which subject you are going to give the particular. For example, it is maths, so you can click maths. The down there is a option rubric. Don't click anything in that, let it be as it is. We suppose not to click there. So then now you can give assignment.